Hello everyone, and welcome to my Adobe Photoshop course on layers, adjustment layers, masks, and blending modes, so crucial part of successful work with Photoshop. My name is Marcin, I am professional retoucher, Photoshop expert, as well as Photoshop educator with 7 years of experience. And before we start learning, I want to tell you a few words about me so you can be sure that I am the right person to teach you Photoshop and the subject. I started 7 years ago doing some Photoshop manipulations, and also around the same time I decided to share this knowledge with some other people. So I started doing Photoshop tutorials on YouTube, which were quite successful, and today I have around 60,000 subscribers, as well as over 400 videos on simple Photoshop tips and techniques. Soon after that, I started retouching images professionally for people. And in the last few years, I created very successful retouching courses that help thousands of people to improve their Photoshop skills. My portfolio contains work with such magazines like L'Official, Numero, Nasty, and many others international brands. And in this course, I decided to teach you something that can be used in everyday life. Whether you need to learn Photoshop for doing some simple task at work, whether you need to do some design work and you want to improve your knowledge on layers and adjustment layers and masks, this course is for you. The reason why I did this, I had many conversations with my friends that were not professional Photoshop users as I am, and they were telling me they need to learn Photoshop for their work. They need to learn what's going on with layers, what are layers, and masks and blending modes, because every time they open Photoshop, they're getting confused. With this course, you will not be getting confused anymore, because it will answer most common Photoshop questions. It will show you amazing tips that you can use for your everyday job, whether it's design or photography, and also you will be able to speed up your workflow, so Photoshop work will never be confusing again. Enough talking for now, let's jump in the first lesson.